So I got this landscape fabric in the fall last year and I never got to my projects. But it's spring, it's a new day, and I'm ready to get going on my projects. So I'm a master gardener, I'm a big gardener. I love growing lots and lots of good food in my garden. And I want to put this down a new walkway where I'm planting some grass on the side of my garden. I wanted to get a really thick landscape fabric that wouldn't rip and tear. This stuff is really, really thick, good quality. It does a really, really good job of not letting the weeds get through. Of course, after you go for a while, any landscape fabric, sometimes weeds will start to grow on top, but they're really easy to pluck out when they can't grow their roots very deep. So this stuff is really, really thick. I am ready to go and put this down on my project. Come with me, let's put it down. Okay, so here's the walkway I want to put down. I decided to double this up because I want to make sure those weeds cannot get through. I also did that through the walkways of my garden. So I did do some landscape stakes after this video, and then I went and wood chipped some of my limbs. I cut off my trees, and I'm just going to put that on top of this landscape fabric. This landscape fabric is good stuff. I'm excited to see how it does throughout the season. I will come back with a new update as soon as a few months goes by and let you know how this fabric is doing.